Try. First, without anything.
Hi guys, welcome back to Jay's English World. And my name is Jalen, I'm 9 years old, and today we're gonna make French toast. Well, I'm gonna show the ingredients. So first, milk. Second, eggs. Third, salt. 4, cinnamon. 5, 6, we need toast. 7, we need a clatter bowl. 8, we need a fork. So now later I'm going to crack the egg inside and I'm going to show you how to put the milk in the clatter bowl as a quarter. First, we crack 2 eggs in the batter. And don't get your shells inside the egg. You don't want that to happen. And then you use a fork to pop it. And then you just mix it over here. See it? Cool. Guys, now I just got some spoons. And guys, if you're gonna use quarters, then use this one with 15 ml. Well, we need 4 teaspoons of milk. So now I'm gonna show you how. So first, it needs to be super full, and then you just throw it in, and then you just do that to the other 3. I just need to put. I didn't use the same one. There's no meat, no food. Sugar, like this. Then throw it in. Crazy. And then once you did it, you just take cinnamon and put how much you want, depends on what you want. And guys, don't use this part. Use this part. And guys, now I'm gonna tell you why I use a platter bowl. Why I use the platter bowl is because if you use this kind of bowl, I guarantee your bread is going to break. So don't use this kind of bowl. It's too deep. So you can use platter bowl, something flat container or something. And then you mix it up. You can put salt, just a pinch of salt, pinch, and then put it in. And then you just mix it. And once you finish mixing it, that's custard. So now I'm gonna mix it faster. And then if you think you need more cinnamon, then you add some more. You just look at this. Imagine that it's real custard. Just kidding, it's real custard. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, 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 mix. Then once you finish, time to fry it. Well, now I'm gonna show you. You need a pan to fry it. And then later I'm gonna go get the butter and I'm gonna show you how to fry it and how to soak the toast inside the custard. I just got the butter over here. So now I'm gonna show you how to put the butter inside. You just turn on the fire, right? and don't put it so high. You won't want to make your butter get brown. Well, maybe you do. Well, some people won't. So you just, if you're good at this, then just toss it on. And now I'm going to show you how to soak bread. When you're putting it on, you can use your hands or a palm. Well, I'm great. I'm going to use my hands. Well, guys. Now, which is toast. Then you just soak it in like this for 5 seconds. Flip it over. See that? That's what it will get custardy. Then you just take it, see it, and then toss it. See how easy that was? I'm gonna come back and take a tongue, and I'm gonna show you how it's going to turn out. Guys, now I'm gonna give you a closer look because just now it was too far away. Turn it on, put it super small. Butter. Once you did that, take it and just... Oh, it's starting to get a little brown. Wow. Let me check. Oh, it's kind of, you can kind of flip it up. That's how you do it. And you turn off the fire if you think it has a little bit of smoke or steam. And take it right on the plates. So now I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna show you how to decorate it. Okay, babies? I'm back. So I'm gonna tell you why I'm gonna take this another bowl. Because this is a dark one. And I'm using powdered sugar. Powdered sugar is white. And if I put it on a white plate, we can't see it. So now I'm gonna put the toast first. One is like this. Here, you need a sift. If you don't use a sift, you might add too much. Now, you just need honey, and later we're gonna put fruits. How does it look? If it looks cool, then comment down below. Now we got mangoes. And you know this, blueberries. Now we're gonna go to blueberries. Now I'm going to call my dad to do the taste test.
Try. First, without anything. Good job. Not bad actually, pretty good.
Yeah, I did a good job, guys.
Not bad, man, not bad.
Well, guys, this is the end of this video. So you guys can subscribe to the channel and my channel and give us a thumbs up. And you guys can click the bell button. So see you guys next time. Bye. He's eating crazy. Bye.